Class 9 Mathematics Exponent Exercise 3.2. Question number 1. Exercise 3.2. Question number 1. Find the value of each of the following. How can find this one? 16 to the power 1 by 2. So it is 4 to the power 2 और अपर पार्ट पावर 2 है, तो पावर ऑफ पावर हो गई. सो 4 to the power 2 into 1 by 2. 2 cancel with this 2, so we get 4 to the power n, and that is 4. It's the answer. Now in the second part, it is 3 to the power 5 and whole power is 1 upon 5. So power of power है, so 3 to the power 5 into 1 upon 5. 5 cancel with this 5, so we get only 3 and 3 as the answer. Question number 2. Simplify each of the following. The first 23 to the power 1 by 2 into 23 to the power 3 by 2. बेस सेम है, सो पावर ऐड हो जाएंगी. सो इट इज 23 टू द पावर 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So 23 to the power, taking their LCM as a 2, so 1 plus 3. So 23 to the power, it is 4 by 2, 2 cancel with 4, 4 cancel with 2, so 2 to the 4, so it is 23 to the power 2. So you can multiply 23 2 times. So 23 into 23, what will happen? 3 3 is 9 and 3 2 is 6. And here is 2 3 is 6 and 2 2 is 4. So you can 9, 6, 6, 12, 5 and 1, that is 4. So you can say it is 5 to 9 as your answer. What about with your second part? It is 11 to the power 4 by 3 into 11 to the power 5 by 3. So how can write this? 11 to the power, same base है, so power add हो जाएंगी. So 4 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3. 11 to the power, taking the LCM as a 3. 4 plus 5, that is 9. So 11 to the power 9 upon 3. 3 3 is 9, so it is the 11 to the power 3. How can say 11 into 11, that is 121, and once again into 11, it is 11 1 the 11, 1 carry, 11 to the 22, and 1 3 23, and 11 the 11 and 2 1 3. So you can do this 1 3 3 1. That is your answer. Question number 3. Find the value of the first one is 625 upon 81 whole power 4 by 3 and divided by 625 upon 81 whole power 2 by 3. As you know, both bases are same, so power subtract हो जाएगी. So 625 upon 81 and whole power is 4 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3. 625 upon 81. So whole power, that is 4 minus 2, that is 2 by 3. What happened? It is 5 to the power 25 to the power 5 to the power 3, that is the 625, and it is 81. How much powers? You can do here 81. 3, 27 jam, 3 and 9, once again 3, it is 3, once again 3, that is 1. 1 2 3 4. It is 25 to the power 2 and here is 9 to the power 2. So it is 2 by 3. So it is 25 upon 9. दोनों पे power 2 है. So 2 into 2 by 3. So it becomes 25 upon 9 to the power 4 by 3 as answer. Now come to the second part. It is 2 by 3 13 and here is also 2 by 13. The base are same and it is your divide sign. So power subtract हो जाएंगी. So 2 by 13 whole power 4 by 3 minus 5 by 3. So what will be happen? 2 by 13. So that is the minus 1 by 3. Now डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर को चेंज कर देना है. 13 by 2 and whole power is 1 by 3 as a positive. So you can say it is your answer. Question number 4. Write in ascending order the sets given in each of the following sets. ये जो सेट दिया हुआ है इसमें हमें इन सबको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में इंक्रीज करना है. दैट मीन्स सबसे पहले सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट होगा, फिर से ग्रेटर एंड द ग्रेटेस्ट. तो इन तीनों नंबर्स को पहले हम सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. हाउ कैन सिंप्लीफाई? सो फर्स्ट वन इज अंडर रूट ऑफ 81. एज यू नो अंडर रूट ऑफ 81 दैट इज द 9. इट इज वेरी सिंपल. नाउ क्यूब रूट ऑफ 64. इट इज 4 क्यूब. So 64 means 4 cube and that cube is power. It is the root power. It is cube root. So that is 1 by 3. So 4 into 4, 3 to the power 4 to the power 3 into 1 by 3 and 3 cancel. So we get 4. And what about to this one? 9 power of it is 5 1 2. How can change? So first of all you can do the factors. Which one? 5 1 2. So 2 से कर दो. 2 2 जा 4 and 2 5 जा 10. 2 6 जा 12. So 2 1 जा 2 2 जा 2 8. Once again 2 2 6 जा. फिर 2 से 2 3 जा 2 2 जा. Once again 2 16. Once again 2 8. फिर once again 2 फिर 4, फिर once again 2 2 and once again 2. That's what 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it is the 9. So it is 2 to the power 9 and whole power is 1 upon 9. So what upon 2 to the power 9 into 1 upon 9. So it is cancelled. So only 2. Now write in ascending order. Ascending order. सबसे पहले आपको स्मॉलेस्ट टर्म लेनी है. तो स्मॉलेस्ट इज 2. सो इट इज 2 एंड वंस अगेन 4. दैट इज 4 एंड वंस अगेन इट इज 9. सो 2 इनिशियली क्या थी? ये तक 9th रूट ऑफ विच वन? 5 1 2. एंड सेकेंड वन इज 4. यहां से आया. दैट इज द क्यूब रूट ऑफ 64. And the last it is under root of 81. That is your answer. So you can write in ascending form like this. In the following, find out which are sets and which are not. Sets हम उनको कहेंगे जिनको हम एक्सपोनेंट की फॉर्म में, यानी क्यूब रूट हो गया, स्क्वायर रूट हो गया, फिफ्थ रूट हो गया, फोर्थ रूट हो गया, इस फॉर्म में अगर लिखते हैं तो दे आर कॉल्ड एज सट्स. और जो भी स्क्वायर रूट, क्यूब रूट, फिफ्थ रूट एंड सिक्स्थ रूट, इनसे अगर बाहर निकल जाते हैं तो वो सट्स नहीं होंगे. अंडर रूट ये शर्ट्स है, yes, so you can write yes, but this value is 8, so it is no. This is yes. ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो सकता है क्योंकि इनको सॉल्व करके हम किसी एक डिजिट की पावर की फॉर्म में नहीं ले सकते हैं, सो यू कैन राइट हियर नो. बट दिस वन you can change like this. How can 2 plus 2, so it is the fifth root of 4, so that is yes. ये yes हो जाएगा आपका. ये एक्सरसाइज समाप्त हो रही है. आप लोगों की अटेंडेंस की फॉर्म में मुझे सब्सक्राइब जब करेंगे तभी मैं अटेंडेंस मान पाऊंगा, इससे पहले नहीं. इससे पहले देखने को तो सभी लोग देख ले रहे हैं, लेकिन सब्सक्राइब करने पर मेरे को कम से कम पता चलेगा कि हाँ मेरे स्टूडेंट्स देख रहे हैं इसको. थैंक यू.